The MLA of Mawlai, T Sawkmie, had recently voiced out his opinion on the status of the UDP as a regional party in the state. Sawkmie, who has been active in the UDP since his suspension from the Congress party for his support to the NPP-led government, said that he has been working hard towards strengthening the party in the area. He denied any division in the UDP and in fact said that its president, Metbah Lyngdoh, has taken all leaders into confidence.
The members from the United Democratic Party, Mawlai Cycle, though I have not been joining with the party, but very soon I will join with the party. Now activities have already been started from my side, along with UDP members, along with members from my side. We have been very active, organizing meeting from one area to another. But what I could see that in 2023 again that UDP will win. That is 100%. 100% UDP will win from Mawlai constituency. Because from our side, we work very hard. In the meantime, that people in these days talking about the party. Everybody expect that UDP will do better, but that is the talk in the town, even in the city as a whole, that everybody looking that the UDP, if all goes well, with God grace, with the blessing of the people, UDP will lead the government in 2023. I don't see any division in the UDP. Like the president of the party, Metbah, he take all the MLAs, all the MDCs, even party workers into confidence. But I couldn't see that he has tried his best to accommodate and give time to all the members of the party. But I could see that Metbah is a person that he can give space to all the members of the party. This is a very important. When you are the leader of the party, very important, you should give time to members of the party. You should give time to the MLAs, MDC, even the ministers. But I could see that with Metbah, he have that quality as a president of the party.
On the former MDC of Mawlai, Mbahas Imle, joining the NPP, Sawkmie said that it is difficult to predict people's intentions, but as far as the young leader is concerned, he has no potential to lead the people, not only of the area but of the state as well.
Is it talking about by Mbahas Imle? At the beginning, he offered, he called, and also he told me that he will support me. But I could understand why suddenly he changed his mind. But difficult to see, difficult to predict about the mind of people. You understand? But because we don't know what he's thinking. But I may say that for him. joining with NPP, it wouldn't have any effect. But this time I will tell you though, that from the side of the opponent, especially in Mawlai constituency, everybody will relate to support the NPP candidate who will be contest against me. That is already clear. People talking at this Metbah Patau, but Metbah Patau as of now, the whole of our constituency knew that he didn't have that capacity of leader to trust him up to the capacity as an MLA. That I didn't see that people will have confidence, because MLAs it is a job that is very tough job, because you have to look not only for the constituency, you have to look also for the state as a whole.
On the talks about BJP's intentions to sever ties with the NPP, T Sawkmie said that the decision should have been made much earlier and not just a few months before the start of the assembly elections of 2023.
When I'm talking about the BJP, NPP with the present allies, what I have in my mind that you see, now we have it seems that BJP don't have a good understanding with the NPP. now at the last minute, withdraw from the government, that would look nice. But more important that because the same issue with the BHP have not been last for the last I may say for the last 3 years after this issue, the same issue now. If they have so much concern about the party image, or concern about what is going on in the government, they should have been talking about withdraw for the last 10 months. The first year, second year, already I may say that all is goes well. Then from during the third year, fourth year, now 2.5 years, they have try to complain upon our fingers. That it would look nice. But in the meantime, what I thought, the people of the state of Meghalaya thought that having alliance with BJP with high expectation will get many of development work from the center, but that has not been happened. That's the main important. Even from people, even we also the MLAs, we thought that by having that NPP, BHP, other allies working together in the present government, we expect many developmental work that will get, but that has not happened.
In the meantime, Sawkmie also commented on the status of the Congress party in Meghalaya, wherein he stated that people no longer have faith in the grand old party.
When talking about the Congress national spokesperson of the Congress party, while he have only been offered that the party is ready, I mean, again to have a good negotiation, but very difficult. Like we have only been experienced in the national industry. Nobody have faith, confidence, and trust with the Congress. But as of today, it seems the Congress will be difficult. will difficult again to recover back. But it depend with the leader of the party, how they work, how they get the seat. Otherwise, what I could see now in overall in Meghalaya, I didn't see that Congress will get even one seat also. But it depends much on them. What is the strategy they will apply? Because fighting election, it depends on strategy. I'm sure that it depends on them. But what I could see from distance, I didn't see that they have a good strategy on the ground itself for how to win the election.